Come on. Why did you do that?
Madeline, you look so happy being in the car.
Oh, it's ice cream makes anyone feel better after a tough day.
I'm gonna get you, yeah. I'm gonna get you.
Kevy, that's not yours. That belongs to Topper. That belongs to Topper. That's not yours. Nope, that's not yours. That belongs to Topper. Here you go.
And you're a good dancer.
Now, I have this seagull. He keeps trying to eat it when he can't have any because I already gave him his own. Kofi, what you doing?
Wow, good job, Daddy.
Ogie, up, up. Ogie, up, up.
First time trying watermelon, what do you think? Are they yummy?
Hello, are you a pirate? Arg! Arg! Good job!
Hey, what are you doing in the bathtub? What are you doing in here?
Oh. Oh.
Archie, what are you doing here? Hello. Hello.
What are you doing? Where's your little brother? Is he sleeping? Oh no, he's watching you. What is it? What is it? You like it? Of course you would like it. He likes it. Do you want more?
Lewis, come here. Hop, hop. Goed zo.
Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew.
Is someone... What, are you jealous or something? Snuggles.
Dziękuję.
Come on. There you go. Rock out. Come on, girls. Let's go.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mr. Sun. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the sun. He's gonna go bye-bye now.
No! No!
Dobry. Krasny.
Good job.
Hi.
Seriously? I need to go toilet. Mango. No, don't do it. Don't. I'm going toilet. Get off. He does love it.
Hi, Knobert. Hi. Does the birthday girl want a special treat? Do you want a special treat? You want puppy ice cream? Yeah.
Ay, napas yan! Ay, napas yan! May motor ka ba gandam? İşkimiz bu etnik nefes kişi bu bana. Ya nefes kişi benim ay ben baba. Nefes ya.
Never had one of these, have you?
My buddy, my guy, it's not happening, is it? Please don't. Excuse you.
不可以吵架哦。
Yay! High five! Yay!
Excuse me, sir. Is there anything you'd like to say to the people?
Supervising this morning. Hi. This is Zach. Call him Zach Wild. Zach has just come to us pretty much a gift from a...
Get it, Charlie. Woo!
Oh, alright. Oh, see? Yeah, alright. You're gonna play catch?
Ready? Come on.